Alright you guys, so I'm gonna check out how to use this script that I just made. And yeah, this is my first script, so this is basically generating patterns made in Illustrator. So first, you're gonna need to do the shapes in Illustrator, and after that, you can import in this HTML and automate some really cool patterns. And as a reference, what we're gonna need to do is create 7 rectangles. I'm gonna press and hold Alt drag, Control D, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm gonna bring this here, gonna swap it to stroke. So now from here, I'm gonna select the circle. I'm gonna go here at the corner. Let's go to this anchor point, press and hold Shift plus Alt, press Control C, Control F, and duplicate. And I'm gonna repeat this step, Control C, Control F, and so on and so forth. Something like this. So I'm gonna delete the rectangles. So from here, I'm gonna select all the circles, press Shift plus X. From here, press Shift plus M, or you can select the Shape Builder tool. And I'm gonna press and hold Alt and click on these circles. And about least all we need to do is go to File, Export, Export As. And here I'm gonna export the PNG format. Select the PNG. And here I'm gonna go Arrange 1. Click on Export. And now we're gonna go to the app or online script that I just made. By the way, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can access this. And here basically all you need to do is drag and drop the exported pattern right here. You can go with JPEG, PNG, and SVG. And check this out, here we got the grid. You can increase or decrease. So this is gonna make a more complete grid. And then you also got the randomization. For example, this is checked, randomize which uploaded image appears in each tile. Now right now we cannot do this because we have only one single pattern here. And you also got the randomize each tile to 90-degree angles. So if I uncheck it, it is going to create that classic pattern, and then check it back and it's going to create that randomized pattern. And you also got here the shuffle pattern. So this is going to create a good amount of examples here. And then if you want to customize this manually, all you need to do is go and select one of the squares. And then check this out, we got some new options here. We got like minus 90 degree or plus 90 degree. And with this, you can rotate every each. And then if you export it as a PNG, you got the background, you got transparent background. Here you can change up the color of the background, but it's not changing it. Oh, because I need to uncheck the transparent background. So here we are. So yeah, this is the script that I just made with the ChatGPT. Feel free to download a script. And if you want me to make like a script specifically into Illustrator like this, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good one.